It is not necessary that we are getting homework. That physical health also matters more than mental health.
Only self-study can't help in your exams. You all give exams.
The point is this: should homework be given to the students or not?
Not.
According to them, it should not be given to the student. Is of no use giving them homeworks. And according to you, being a guest of everyone, right, you would be saying that it should be given. Okay? Ready? So here it begins.
Okay, so we are the favor of homeworks won't be given for the students because you know that we are in the schools for 6 hours, 5 hours, and when they give us homework, so why the school is there? For the studying, for the working, and why the home is there? For enjoying with our family and with our friends.
But don't you think
Be louder.
it is the thing which should be given to all of the children? Like, what are you doing at home? If you are free and you don't have any topic to study, but you have decided your timetable as like, and on that time after school I will study 1 to 2 hours. So in that 2 hours, what you will study? If the school gives the homework to you, so that would be easily given topic to you that I have
It
to
is not
study about
necessary.
that.
It is not necessary that we are getting homework. It's that physical health also matters more than mental health. Here, I agree that homework increases our mental ability, right? That in school, what we do, we study. But okay, in school we study. Why research comes? Why research comes in school? For a break, right? We do in the research we do lot of things. We play with our friends. We play lot of things. By that our physical activity gets improved. Okay, as Shams has said, mentioned that home is for enjoyment. Home for enjoyment. Home is made for only enjoyment, brother.
The point what you said is somehow correct. However, one point I want to speak up. That you study in your school, the things are explained to you. And what is the thing explained? For the practice it is given.
That's true.
The questions are given which the teachers are telling you.
Right.
The similar questions we are practicing in home by the homework.
Okay, as you're mentioning this, why the homework we can practice this. When you reach to your home, don't you do self study? Will you do only the school homework by yourself? Can't you do anything?
But
Just
if
tell me the
you
answer.
don't have any topic to study in the self studies, like if your teacher have told you that you have to do self study, will you do what you will do at in the self study?
Okay, in the starting of the month only, like when the class started, teachers or the like you can say government tell us the syllabus, what is going to come in the future and what is going in our exam as well. And tell me your daily routine after coming from the school. What will you do? Do you complete your homework or do self studies?
I do the self studies, but in the self study I include the homework because it makes me more better. Like it in one work I do two works complete. I complete the two works. Like by doing self studies and in the self studies including my homework, it can give you more time and completing your
Okay, okay,
homework.
okay. As you're mentioning that in the self studies we do our school's homework, right? But the okay, the government which are the government gives us a syllabus, right? So we can study the syllabus which is coming in our exam. Okay, so it's not necessary that we are doing our homework. In my class, there are some students who don't do homework, but they get top. How? Because they do self studies.
Only self study can't help in your exams. You all give exams, all of you.
Yes.
So in exams, the homework have a part. It helps us. How? Practicing. Sometimes many of the students don't do practice at home. It's for everyone. So we want homework. Because of it, we will go there.
Okay, so as you're mentioning, we should do our homework. Whenever you complete your holiday homework, what teacher will do? Just check it by seeing it or by reading it.
Right.
Just sticking on it. And homework as well, same as with the homeworks, same as with the works you are getting from the school to do in your home. And nothing is important in that. They are just taking on it and saying, go. That's all. What they will do by the homework?
And they do not think that this is my homework.
Last 10 seconds.
They get in a hurry and they do any kind of thing. And as he mentioned that teachers doing anything, check it, and by that they tear the page of yours.
But if
Copy
you
as
don't
well.
get homework, so what you will do in self studies?
The syllabus which we are provided, yeah.
And
That's
if-
what I'm saying now.
If the teacher is giving you out of the syllabus homework,
So we will say to the principal.
Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot.